Get started. Add expense categories. Hello and welcome to I-instructor tutorials on how to start using your new digital workplace. Now that you have added prices for driving categories and set your working days and hours, it's time to define expense categories. Driving schools, just like every other business in the world, have their own expenses, and one of the keys to running a successful business is knowing exactly where your hard-earned money is being spent. I-instructor offers you a very simple, yet efficient system of expense management. You can simply register your expenses by going to the quick menu and clicking on the Add Expense button. But if you really want to use the full potential of this very useful feature of I-instructor, you need to define your expense categories to make them more clear and manageable. To do that, you can go to the Expenses module, and then to the Categories page. Next, click on the Add button and define an expense category according to your specific needs. You will have to enter a name, choose an icon, and decide whether expenses registered in this category are tax-deductible or not. In case you are not familiar with the term tax-deductible, here is a short explanation. In many countries like here in Switzerland, registered companies do not need to pay taxes on a large part of their expenses that are mandatory for their business to function. For a driving school, examples usually include fuel, vehicle maintenance, office rent, etc. Such expenses are treated as tax-deductible, and you can include them in your income reports to the government financial institutions to pay less taxes. By definition, a tax-deductible expense is any expense that is considered ordinary, necessary, and reasonable, and that helps a business generate income. It is usually deducted from the company's income before taxation. This application enables you to manage which expenses are tax-deductible and which are not. This feature will be extremely useful when you start generating financial statements in the Reports module, but you can watch our tutorial on the Reports module to learn more. Now back to registering a new expense category. When you are done entering the necessary information, click Add. There are many other great features in the Expenses module you can use, like how to manage expenses that your other employees register, or how to print all expenses registered in a specific time window, but we will explain them in another video. This is it for now. Please check our other tutorials to learn more about I-instructor. Have a good time and good luck!